YouTube, this is Betty and welcome back to my channel. I am so happy you decided to join me today. I am participating in the Pinterest collab for 2020. This collab is hosted by Kreationsby Kimber. And basically we will be creating projects inspired by our Pinterest pins. And our videos will be posted the last Saturday of every month by noon Eastern time. So make sure you guys open up the description box below so you can get a list of the lineup and follow everyone in this collaboration so you can be inspired. So what you see before you are some of the products that I use to create my project. I'm going to try to go through them quickly and then I will share my project with you. So I was able to play with my Distress Oxide inks, and I had a lot of fun playing with these inks. I used the Abandoned Coral, the Spice Marmalade, the Black Soot, Broken China, Squeezed Lemonade, and the Peeled Paint. I played with my circle dies. I used these cute little paper clips. I just took the bows off the paper clips. My Chanel stems. Some of these stickers by Recollections. Some more of these stickers by Jolie's. And as you can see by the stickers, you know where I'm going with my project. I used some glasses that was in this sticker set. My glossy accents, this is becoming my go-to. I use this little punch, the little heart, and then this little punch, the circle. And then I'm still playing with this paper called Bundle of Joy, a new edition. I picked this up on clearance at Hobby Lobby. Okay, I wanted to share this with you guys before I share my project. I created two layouts, 6x6, and I'm gonna put my layouts inside of this scrapbook album when I'm all done. But I wanted to share this with you guys. In my previous video, I shared that I will be creating some projects for a baby. My cousin just had a baby girl, and I'm gonna put together this cute little scrapbook album for her. And so check out that price, guys. I just love when I get a good deal. So this was reduced to $224 at Hobby Lobby. So yeah, I wanted to share this first, that I'm going to put my layouts in here. So I created two layouts to share with you today. And so I'm going to insert a photo of what I was inspired by on Pinterest. Okay, so here's my first little layout. And as you saw in the photo, I saw this cute little caterpillar on a tag, and I thought it was so cute, and I thought that would be a really cute little embellishment to include on a baby layout. So this is my version of that. And you guys know that I had to do something fun with it, and so I added these cute little glasses. And then I used the Chanel stems for the little horns on the head. And then this is where I used the distress inks. I just used my circle punches and distressed the circles with my inks. And then the size here is 3x5, so this will fit a 3x5 photo. And then I use this sticker here from the stickers I shared. And then I have a little heart here. And then another little heart back here in the back. And then a doily back here. And then this is raised up so that the photo can be inserted. Like this part right here is not adhered down, so the photo can slide in there really easy. So I'm keeping this very, very simple because my cousin is not a scrapbooker, so I want to keep it very simple for her. But I think the little caterpillar turned out super cute, you guys. This is where I used my little heart punch for the nose. I didn't have a circle punch that was, or an oval punch that was small enough. So I just had this heart punch in my stash, and this is where I used the glossy accent. And I think it turned out super cute. So this is the first layout that I created. And here's the second one. And on this one, I didn't include the glasses, and I included that little bow. And then I love how the little Chanel little horn is there. And then on this, you know, the photo can just slide inside of this little pocket here. So the photo will just slide right there inside. And I have another heart here. And then here's another sticker that says, "It's a girl, it's a girl." And then it's laid on top of another little border piece. So this is my first time creating 6x6 scrapbook pages, and you guys, I must say I like it. I really like it. So I can already tell that I'm going to have a blast putting this book together for my cousin, and I'm just going to take you guys along with me for the ride to see how everything turns out. But this is my share for my first installment of the Pinterest Collab 2020. Thank you, Kimber, for having me. And thank you guys for tuning in. And make sure you open up the description box to get the links to everyone that's participating. Hit that like button, subscribe, and also follow me on Instagram. I'll leave a link below. And as always, make sure you do something with love and passion. Bye.